Oh, this is lovely. What's the date today? It's the 21st today, 21st of May, and the bluebells are still out in force. I'm in St Leonard's forest near Horsham. Kind of came out today. Yeah, I've actually got a purpose for today, but anyway. Yeah, so I kind of unexpectedly came out just to have a look around, and I can't believe this is so great that the bluebells are still out in force, and this is absolutely amazing. This is the best I've ever seen. Well, you know, as far as the most bluebells and just the sea of blue carpet, velvet carpet, it's pretty amazing. I mean, it's yeah, it's 21st of May and we still have bluebells, and lots of them. Yeah, it was a late start today, sorry, a late start this season, this year. I mean, it just goes on forever. This is incredible. I've kind of taken this route really because I saw the bluebells, and it goes exactly the same way as I want to go. This walk is going to be happening again in kind of few weeks, and I don't think the bluebells are going to be like this then, which is a shame. Wow, this is incredible. But yeah, this is great about St Leonard's Forest. There are so many paths that kind of link up, so it doesn't really matter if you go the wrong way or you want a bit of a detour, diversion, whatever. It really doesn't matter because they all link up to the same place. As long as you can vaguely read a map and you know which direction you're going in, you're fine. And this is I couldn't miss out on this, really. Right, it's windy, so hopefully you'll be able to hear this. But this is cool. I've kind of, God knows how I'm going to remember this one, but obviously, well, I'm tracking, so it shouldn't be a problem. Some of the paths really just aren't obvious, and I've just come to this clearing, and it's just wow, you know, it's like a fairy, well, a huge, great fairy circle. Lots of little fairy circles can happen here, I think. So just come from that way. You get lots of this sort of thing in West Sussex. You do on the downs as well, kind of these little tree things, dens, I guess. It's nice to see that the kids are being just about as imaginative as we were when we were kids. But yeah, going down there in a minute. So slightly on the beaten track again, but I've had to kind of crawl over logs. Well, actually, no, it's not as bad as that sounds, actually. Kind of, yeah, it was obvious which way to go, but it looked like, is this really a footpath? But yeah, this is definitely a footpath again now.